Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video let us see the previous JNTH question on number system. So this is the question given that 292 base 10 equal to 1204 base B, then determine the base B. So this is 2 marks question, very simple. So the given statement is 292 base 10 equal to 1204 base B. We need to find out this B value. So here one important point is, if you are converting any number which is represented in any base like B, that equal to our decimal number, if you represent the given number which is having base B, if you represent that in weighted sum, then you will be getting the equivalent decimal 10. Okay, so the same thing we need to apply here. So let me write like this: 1204 base B equal to 292 base 10. So here already the answer is given 292. So that means now you need to represent this 1204 base B in weighted sum representation. Weighted sum representation is nothing but, let us consider the base B number, that is 1204 base B. Now you need to write the digit placement or digit place value or digit number. This is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then you need to write the corresponding weight of this position, that is B power 0, B power 1, B power 2, B power 3. The digit position value or the digit number you need to write in the power, the base is B. Now the weighted sum representation is nothing but, you need to consider the digit value and the digit weight. You need to multiply these two. So digit value is 1 and corresponding weight is B power 3, plus next digit value is 2 and the corresponding weight is B square. Next digit is 0 and the corresponding weight is B power 1. Next digit is 4, corresponding weight is B power 0. This thing you need to write here. This is what weighted sum representation. So that is B cube and 2B square, then 0 into something you will get 0, then 4 into B to the power of 0, this is 1, so 4 into 1 4, equal to 292. So now you can remove this base, right? So whatever the expression we have written, that is equal to 292. So now B power 3 2B square equal to 292 minus 4, you will be getting 288. So here you can go with the calci, direct formula you can apply, or otherwise you can go with the trial and error. So you need to find out the B value which is satisfying this equation. So here B equal to 6 will be satisfying this expression. So B is the answer because it is satisfying the expression, because B square is nothing but 6 square, B plus 2 is nothing but 6 plus 2, 6 square is nothing but 36 and 6 plus 2 is 8, this will give 288, right? B equal to 6, since 6 is satisfying this expression. So you can try with the trial and error. If you are having only a B square, only B term, you can find out the expression directly. Okay. So these kind of questions will be coming from the unit 1 for 2 marks. The one more question like this you can expect like this. The given statement is given that 180 base 10, that is decimal number, our decimal number, equal to 2D10, 2D10, and they clearly mentioned the base is 4. They have given base is 4, but now we need to find out this D value. Okay, determine D. This is the question. Same thing, you need to express this whatever the number based system, other than decimal, you can represent it in decimal by converting into or by representing it in weighted sum representation. 180 base 10 equal to, now you need to write the weighted sum representation here. So now 2, if I consider 0, 1, 2, 3. So for second digit the position is 3, that is the reason 2 into, and the base is 4 to the power of 3, plus next second digit is D and the position is 2, so the weight will be 4 square, plus digit 1 and the weight is 4 to the power of 1 because the place is 1. Next 0, 4 to the power of 0. Okay, the same thing I have applied previously, how we have written the weighted sum representation, same thing I have done here. Now 2 into 4 to the power of 3, so this is 64 plus, and this is 16, then this is 4, 0 into something, you will be getting 0, and this is 128 plus 16D plus 4 is equivalent to 180. Now you can remove that whatever the base. So 16D equal to 180 minus 132. Then D equal to 180 minus 32 is 48 by 16. Then 16 3 is 48. So D equal to 3. D equal to 3. So like this you can find out the missing digit or the base of the given number, okay, whenever the other number is represented in decimal. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts related to the previous questions, you can post your question in the comment section. Thank you.